New train coaches. These have been there since 2016. These coaches were. These coaches have been there since 2016, right? Well, maybe earlier. These are basically the upgraded format of the old coaches which are there. I saw it's the same clone only. Isn't it? These are Chinese built or where? Indian built. German coaches. Okay. Yeah, this is on YouTube, so you can give some info. These are German built coaches. And where design coaches. And built where? In Avadi. Integral Coach Factory. You have to find out where it is. And these are what? I mean, the design is from old European, 80s, 90s European coaches, or what is the design essentially? This is 1990s essential design. This is the storage section. We have clear racks like this.